price of humanoid robots is falling at a frankly abnormal speed. A couple of years ago, they sat in showrooms tagged at hundreds of thousands. Now a bit over $10,000 gets you one off the official site. And more telling than the price is the other end. How you teach them to work is changing too. It used to take humans hand-feeding tens of thousands of demos. Now some are letting the robot watch human videos and play out the scene in its own head. Both ends loosen at once, and the bar to get on the job drops faster than you'd think. Start with the teaching side's latest signal. This week, Alibaba's Tongyi put out a technical report called RobotWorld, an embodied world model. Basically a physics engine in the robot's head that lets it predict, from what it sees now, how objects will move next. Overseas, NVIDIA has a paper called DreamDojo doing something similar, training a robot world model on large amounts of first-person human video. Note both are still technical reports, papers, not downloadable products, but the approaches have converged. Why pull this out? Because the most expensive, slowest part of a humanoid was never the steel. It's teaching it. And pure real robot trial and error data collection is slow and costly. The world model route lets the robot rehearse the job in its head first, which could cut part of the real robot collection and trial and error. It's not one and done, of course. You still need target robot data to fine-tune, plus simulation and real hardware validation. But push the cost of teaching down a notch, and the whole robot's deployment math gets a lot easier. Teaching cost is dropping, and the hardware price is already on the floor. Take Unitree, a high-volume maker. On its site, the R1 is under $6,000 and the G1 starts around $10,000 plus, taxes and shipping extra. On capacity, Figure's BotQ plant publicly targets up to 12,000 units a year. Not reached yet, but the target's on the table. In terms a plant gets, an entry humanoid's price is roughly what a senior workstation cost in labor over half a year to a year. Squeeze teaching cost on one end, purchase price on the other, both lines pushing together. So my take, the real turning point for humanoids was never the backflip on stage. It's the day affordable to teach plus affordable to buy together push cost down to where a plant can use it. When that day comes, the ones who win the orders are those who can spec, integrate, and actually deploy the robot onto the line. However flashy the tech, someone still has to land it at the workstation. One line to close. This year's deciding move for humanoids is shifting from can it move to affordable to teach, to buy, to run. I'll keep watching this for you. Which to break down next, the world model in its head, or the price hitting the floor? See you in the comments. Evst putting robots on the line with you.